Section Introduction. Welcome to this section. We'll explore fundamental concepts in a fun and easy to understand way. Here are some of the things that we'll cover. There's a big difference between moving layers on the canvas and moving them in the Layers panel. Beginners are often confused, but we'll clear that up. We address all layer types in Photoshop: raster layers, shapes, adjustment layers, text layers, and smart objects. This will help you understand what the best layer for the job is. They're specialized to give you certain possibilities, but it's essential you understand their strong points, but also their drawbacks. I'll also guide you through exporting your work in both CS6 and CC. This is often overlooked and it may cause a lot of problems. You'll also have some fun exercises to play that will cement all your newfound knowledge. Of course, I don't leave you hanging. After each exercise, I show you how I'd solve it. In those videos, you can expect to find new or more advanced techniques, so they're definitely worth seeing. I know you're eager to get going, so let's do it.